In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your profile on Whatnot, whether you're inviting buyers to follow you, letting friends know where to find your live shows, or linking your shop from social media. Sharing your profile takes just a few clicks. First, open your web browser and go to whatnot.com. Make sure you're signed in so you can access your account options. Once you're on the home page, take a moment to let everything load, especially the top and right sides of the screen where your account controls usually appear. Now look over to the right-hand side of the page. You should see your profile area, typically your avatar or your username. Click on your profile to open your account panel. This brings up the section where you can manage your page and settings. Next, focus on your username. You'll notice a small arrow right next to it. Click that arrow to expand more options related to your account. This drop-down is where Whatnot groups handy shortcuts, so you don't have to dig through settings. From here, look for the share button located near Edit Profile. It may appear as the word Share or a standard share icon. Click it to open the sharing window. This is the hub for sending your profile to others. At this point, you can share your profile directly. If you want to send it to someone on Whatnot, use the search field and type their username. Watch for suggestions as you type and select the correct account. A quick tip: double check spelling to be sure you're sending it to the right person. Alternatively, choose the copy link option. This copies your unique profile URL to your clipboard so you can paste it anywhere: email, group chats, DMs, or your social bio. After copying, try pasting the link into a new tab to confirm it opens your profile, then share it with a short note so people know what they're clicking. If you're posting publicly, consider where your audience is most active to get the best reach. And that's it. You went to Whatnot, opened your profile area on the right, clicked the arrow by your username, selected share next to edit profile, and then either searched a username or copied the link for email and chats. Save that link somewhere you can find it quickly, and you'll be ready to share your profile anytime.